Christmas really is my favourite season of the year. It's a time I get to slow down, enjoy time with friends and family, eating delicious food and admiring gorgeous Christmas lights. And if you couldn't tell, they are responsible for this massive smile on my face. One of the very best places to bring your family to really soak up the festive atmosphere is right here in WA's most livable city, the City of Vincent. The city literally comes alive with spectacular light displays, interactive photo moments and dazzling tree installations that pop up across the town centres. The lights switch on every night from 6:30 p.m. and they're shining bright all the way through to the early January. So whether you're after a quick evening stroll or a full-on festive adventure, you've got plenty of nights to enjoy the magic. There are 7 Christmas light trail stops to explore this summer, each boasting their unique little charm. But I'm here in my favourite, and that's because we're in the foodie hub, eating my favourite thing, gelato. And while you're soaking in the festive spirit, don't forget you're only a few steps away from the incredible local cafes, pubs and restaurants around Leederville, Beaufort Street, Mount Lawley and Mount Hawthorn. So you can combine your festive wonder with a little culinary adventure, perfect for families, friends or even a fun solo outing. If you're wandering along Beaufort Street, some great spots to pop into include Planet Books and Publico for a really fun vibe. My personal favourite, Tom's Providore and Wine Bar, a fantastic local wine bar and cafe that's absolutely glowing with so much Christmas spirit and incredible festive displays. Perfect for a little indulgence too, or even a last-minute gift idea if you're like me and leave things to the very last minute. You can find all things delicious from Panettone wine. They've even got you covered with beautiful Christmas hampers. Christmas is almost here, so get out, get festive and revel in all the sparkle, joy and magic the most livable location in Western Australia and the second most in Australia has created just for you. For more information, head across to the website and you can start planning your very own festive adventure. Trust me, you won't want to miss a single twinkling moment.